Got here, my sweet little baby buru. They tried to do something today, people. They tried. They tried their hardest. They did. And if they can close green today, I'm pleased with that. Because what do we got? Crusader X. He posts a little buru stuff here. Enters a 20 billion global counter drone defense market as Lyocon completes proof of concept for portable directed energy laser platform. Dude, the military gave buru over the years 75 million. Well, it was a 75 million R&D with that would end, it capped at 75 million, ending in 2028. So buru owning Lyocon now. I think I think it could be something. I do. People are going to say it's trash, it's garbage, it reverse split. So what? So things happen, okay? And they wouldn't have had the reverse split if they could have fucking got their goddamn Maddox deal finalized before the split in the hull and all that shit. But you can't control the time. I mean, God. Enters a 20 billion. The dual use defense and security platform company focused on non-kinetic directed energy, electronic warfare, and software orchestrated defense system announced its wholly owned subsidiary Lyocon has successfully completed proof of concept of portable energy laser dazzler platform designed for counter drone defense application. Hoorah, baby! Counter drone technologies have become a critical priority for defense agencies worldwide as fucking data centers, desalination plants, oil depots, weapons depots, ports, fucking anything is exploded, okay? All over the place, every day for the past fucking 8 days. And before that, if you count all the shit Israel's doing for fucking Lebanon. But, look, nobody would have cared about that anyways, though, so that's neither here nor there. Represents New Buru's entry into rapidly expanding counter-drone defense market, where military forces, security operators, and critical infrastructure provider worldwide accelerating deployment technologies capable of neutralizing emerging UAV threats. And by neutralizing, they mean incineration. According to a market mindset, global counter-UAS market is projected to grow from approximately 6.6 billion in 2025 to more than 20 billion by 2030. I expect that to be even more, honestly, because this shit, wild. So they get this going. They get a sale. They stick their Lyocon lasers on Techni's fucking shit, because that's the other thing. They're going to combine technologies. So the reason buru bought out, is trying to fully buy out Techni, but it's a little trickier because of the golden power rule in Italy. But now they have the 80-20, and they're already converging technologies. So that's all happening as we speak. And I think this is going to be something. I really do. Combined with buru's blue laser metal welding, which is going to be huge, and they're going to have the container module units for on-site welding. That is going to be manufacturing on the go. I think that's going to be very, very big. So we shall see what happens. Oh, let's see. Customer engagement. Prototype trials have been completed, and production prototype trials have been successfully finalized, and the technology platform has progressed through technical evaluation and validation stages. That does mean it could be ready to commercialize, people. And we want that. And our objective is to design compact modular system capable of delivering effective optical countermeasures against drone threats while maintaining portability and operational flexibility. And then they could stick them on the Maddox drones. Perfection.